Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope so all my viewers are fine and doing well. Guys, in this collection you see the beautiful ideas of the Merry Christmas decoration. Merry Christmas is a symbol of happiness, create joy and love and beautiful vibes. So thank you guys to watch my videos, to like my videos and to share my videos with your family and friends. Thank you so much guys to watch my videos, to like my videos and to share my videos with your family and friends. All colors and all shades are new and beautiful and classy, and most trendiest thing is that the width designs and the centerpieces look so amazing, look so fantastic. So thank you so much guys to watch the video, to like my video, to share my video with your family and friends. If you have any trouble, if you have any question, then ask me in comment box. All decoration are new and trending and beautiful. How to decor your home, I provide you the simple ideas.